How to upload photo or video on Canva. Do you enjoy creating interesting content? Canva is the right place for that. So today, I'm going to show you how to upload the photo or video you want to use to create your masterpiece. Before we start, install the Canva app on your phone. I have already installed it, so I will go straight to the process. Open the Canva app on your phone. Then open the Projects section. Next, in the Folders section, you will see the Uploads folder. Open it. Here you will find all the photos and videos I have uploaded so far. To add a photo or video, you need to tap the three dots in the upper right corner. In the window, click on Upload. Then find the photo you want to add and select it. And the photo will soon be uploaded. The process for videos is the same as you can see in the video. The only difference is the time needed for the upload. Due to their size, videos upload more slowly, so be patient. And that's all you need to know about uploading photos and videos to Canva on your phone. If you enjoyed the tutorial, check out the other tutorials on the channel. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos.